So what up, YouTube? We are going to name the car. Dang it!
Not the car.
What are you going to name?
The giveaway winners.
Huh?
The winners, remember?
The waivers.
Winners.
Winners.
The waivers.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. So today, pull 2 lucky winners.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like he said, we're going to pull the 2 lucky winners today for the giveaway. So the video is going to be short and brief. And yeah, so let's get right to it. All right.
I just did like this.
So grab the bucket and shake it up. Shake it. All right, pick one. Grab one.
The first winner is...
Read it. I'm just playing. Come here. First place winner is Miles. Congratulations.
No.
Alright. Alright, now pick the second one. Second place winner is Lifestyle Sliders. Congratulations. Alright, you guys have it. Congratulations to Miles for first place winner, winning the wallet and then the Takata strap. And second place winner to Lifestyle Sliders for winning the strap. Congratulations. Thank you guys for participating. Thank you to all the old subscribers. Thank you guys for the new subscribers. Welcome. Let's keep going, keep growing so we get to the next milestone. And there'll be more giveaways in the future. And yeah, that's about it. And next week is going to start the videos again on the build. We're almost done. We're really almost done. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys. And we got another, what kind of car is that right there?
240.
240. 240 family. Alright, catch you guys later.